Here I have XIAOMI Mi 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So to do this, just open your gallery, then go to the album section, then you have to select album which you want to hide, for example this one, hold your finger on it, and then when this menu appears, just tap hide, then tap OK, and after that this album will be hidden. So where can you find it? Tap here, go to settings, and here you can view hidden albums. And here this album. You can also unhide it here, and this album will be here and again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.